In this tutorial, I'm going to discuss about spanning tree protocol. What's the requirement of having such protocol? In earlier days, we used to have a limited network, probably a LAN network, where 2 or 3, 4 computers and devices were used to connect with each other. But networks keeps on expanding. We are developing communication from LAN to MAN, MAN to WAN, and all this we are clearing all the distance of a huge network. Today, a person sitting from India can communicate, can talk in a person sitting at England or a person sitting at America. So, and we can do that voice chat, we can do that, we can send a message, we can call them. So this is all happening after expansions of devices, expansion of tools we have. For example, this is quite a number of switch we have. For example, we expand more and more switches are there. For example, these two switches are connected with this switch 0. This switch is connected with switch 2. These switches are connected with switch 1. And for example, these switches are more rapidly connected with each other. So a kind of trees form. And for example, end devices, for example, computer connected with each other and following this network. So for example, this switch send a message, so it travels there, it travels there, it travels there, it travels there, and finally reach to the computer. But such networks used to create a loop, and with this loop, for example, if this PC let me connect to the virtual network. So if for example this PC particular send a message to the particular PC and for example this PC, okay, now this PC could have two paths. For example, if this PC send a packet, this PC could have a path of 2. For example, if send the packet, then this PC's packet could be traveled from here and could be traveled from here. It means 2 paths are there. Two way this PC can send a packet. So packet could be traveled from here and packet could be traveled from here, and in that a multiple broadcasting might be started. So for example, if this PC send a packet to this, so for example could be sent from here, could be sent from here, and for example it would be sent from somewhere in both sides, and both sides start pinging with each other, start replying with each other in both separate paths. This PC sending packets from here, this PC sending packets from here, and for example 2 or more PCs are doing the same, then the entire network will crash within a minute, because because every network is active, every network is busy doing their particular job, but the path is same. For example, if another PC if another PC tries to communicate from this network's PC, then it will be a huge headache for a network to send a packet, and hence this might be cause a broadcast storm. So that's the reason this is quite difficult to have such network. For example, this PC also at the same time starts sending a packet from this path, so probably it could be a network crashing way we used to have. So that's the reason redundancies are missing. Multiple packets were sending, and it could be causing us a broadcast time, and also switches cam table, forwarded table could have problem to maintaining it because of a huge traffic created in the network, and because PCs are strongly communicating with each other, and because the network is so busy, that could cause the entire network and switches, their tables would not update very quickly. Every switch, every device are smarter than their own limitation, and if they tries to become a smarter than their more than that, then it would be a problem, a real problem for a network. So it could be a more advanced network should be. So that's the reason spanning tree protocol stated that not only if some error is there in the devices, then very quickly we understand that error, very quickly network able to understand the complexity, and to overcome those complexity, spanning tree protocols is there, so that we can very easily able to solve the networks, able to solve the problems very quickly. Otherwise, the poor technologies, or poor the old era of technologies might cause you a problem in a WAN network. Nowadays, even devices are changing rapidly. For example, the switches are working on Ethernet. Your router is working on fast Ethernet. So definitely a huge difference on sending a data, receiving a data, and you can see the expectations will be quite low when you tries to if you tries to get the desired result via network. So that's the reason these networks are changing rapidly, and spanning tree protocol came and to give you a redundancy more and more. So this is a quite small little introduction of spanning tree protocol. What exactly was the reason? What exactly is the requirement of spanning tree protocol? And I hope you learned something about the spanning tree protocol. We will learn about more in upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.